Brian Archer from Wilmington Lady Fitness, and I'm here to demonstrate October's total body workout plan that I give our members each month. And we're going to start with a 4-exercise circuit, and then we're going to take a rest and move into a second 4-exercise circuit. Each circuit is going to be completed for 2 to 3 sets through before resting and going on to the second circuit. Circuit number 1, suspension training rows. You can also use the pull-down machine. Straight arms, walk underneath. The farther you walk underneath, the harder it is. You pull up, pull your shoulders back, slowly release. Maximum repetitions, typically around 10 to 12. If you can do more than 10 to 12, get under it a little bit more and challenge yourself. Second exercise, without rest, you're going to use a Bosu. This is a Bosu, means both sides up. We're going to use a rounded dome. Put that on the floor. You're going to use a body bar, and we're going to do a front lunge. Okay? You can use the body bar as a little bit of balance. Step right into the Bosu, drop down into your lunge, alternate your legs. Okay? So this would be a beginner. Then you can hold the body bar like this for balance. This is the next version. Time, drop down, step right in, good posture. And the third version, for more advanced people, is overhead, step, drop down, and push away. You're going to do anywhere between 16 and 24 repetitions. You will diminish your coordination and balance as the repetitions go on, so you might have to terminate the set early. Third exercise is called a curl, squat, and press combo with the dumbbells. Feet a little wider than shoulder width, toes angled out about 45-degree angle. Curl the dumbbells up in front of your body, hold them here. Do a front squat as deep as you can while keeping good posture. Press up in the air, then repeat that curl again. Curl it, squat it, keep your heels down on the floor, open up the hips, butt goes back, press out overhead. You want to do about 10 repetitions. So 8 to 12 is always the rule of thumb. 10 is a good number to shoot for. Okay. Fourth exercise, we're going to use the elastic band. We have a yellow, red, and a green elastic band. Light, medium, and heavy. In that order. You're going to step on this elastic band with about 6 to 8 inches of slack between your feet. Crisscross the handles. Hold the handles up by your hip bones. Move your feet a little wider shoulder width or at shoulder width. Squat a little bit. Push out with the outside of your foot. Step. And then move over just a little bit. Push out. Step in. If you notice, I don't come all the way in my foot and release the tension off my hips. Okay? If you have too much tension, you're only going to do little steps like this. We don't want that. We want to make sure that your feet are wide. You got good tension. Step way out and press. Way out and press. I want you to do anywhere between 16 and 30 of those. And that's exercise number 4, okay? So, suspension row, 10 to 12 repetitions to maximum failure. Bosu lunges with the body bar, 16-24. Move into a curl, squat, and press with dumbbells for 10 reps. And the elastic band step out squats, 16-24, up to 30 repetitions. That's one set through of those 4 exercises. Repeat for a second and a third set. Then you're going to take your rest. At that point, your heart rate will be up, get a sip of water, and then move on to circuit number 2. All right, I'm about to demonstrate circuit number 2. So after your brief rest from circuit number 1, got some water, you're ready to get on and tackle the next 4 exercises. Exercise number 1 is going to be a suspension push-up. So we go back to the suspension trainer that we're using. Arms straight. Lower ourselves down, just a regular push-up and push. Now, if you notice that my hips are down, parallel to my body, they're not up like this. If it's too hard, you walk out. You just lean your body by bending your elbows and slower and letting yourself down. Try to minimize any rocking or motion. You're going to do typically 8 to 12 repetitions. You want to fatigue out and do maximum repetitions, but if it's too easy, you drop yourself down and make it hard so you can get there around that 8 to 12 repetition mark. After you do that exercise, you go immediately over to a step. Step generally will have 3 to 4 risers. When your foot is up on the step, it should be nice and flat. You grab you some hand weights. Maybe the first round you just use your body weight. When the knee is slightly below the hip joint, or maybe just even of it. And those beginners can start off even lower. Good posture, straight up and back down. I keep my foot planted on the step and do not remove that until I do my 12 repetitions per leg. After 12 on one leg, I put the other foot up, good posture, no rocking. You don't want to see me shifting off the back here. So it's just nice, great posture right here. Heel has to be down, foot flat on the platform. 12 repetitions each. Then you go to your third exercise, an elastic band. You can also do these little suspension trainers, but you wrap an elastic band around a door or something about middle of your body, head high, something like that. 2 grips, 2 ways we're going to pull it. We're going to pull it with our palms facing each other, pull wide and apart to shoulder level, and then turn it with your knuckles up, shoulder level. And just alternate the 2 different hand positions. This works on your upper back, and you're going to spread apart as you pull back. That's important. Just don't pull back, spread apart, good posture, head up, chin up. Going to do about 16 repetitions on that, okay? A little bit higher because you're doing 2 different motions. It's a lighter weight anyways, okay? So 16 repetitions. 4th exercise, you're going to have a medicine ball, or you can have a light dumbbell. On the medicine ball, 2 different ways we can do this, but we're going to raise the medicine ball and lower the medicine ball as we do a reverse lunge. So we're actually going to step back, and as we come up, bring the arm up, come back down, arm up, just like so. Now I can also go to my outer side of my leg, so I can go like this, across my body, and then bring it up, across my body, and bring it up. We're going to have you do 16 to 24 repetitions with a reverse lunge. So I'll show you from the other view, so I can step back, bring it up, just like so. Okay, so you drop down low, keep your foot flat, and again, 16 to 24 repetitions. So there you have it, your 4 exercises. Little to no rest between all 4 exercises. Repeat for 2 to 3 sets total. And you are done with your second circuit. After that, get some water, rest, and then it's next cardio. Okay, we're going to add this to the end of any workout. We're going to take 4 exercises, 30 seconds per exercise, no rest between exercise if you can maintain that. And we're going to pick agility runs with the ladder that you see out front here. We're also going to do some medicine ball runs and some medicine ball wood chops, followed by some rope drills. Okay, so I got the agility ladder. All I need is stand right behind it. I got 2 squares, one in front of my right, one in front of my left foot. I'm just going to run in and out of the squares for 30 seconds. And you can't be sloppy with it. And I want you to go as fast as you can, okay? In and out, okay? 30 seconds, or you can count 30 reps. Lead with the right on the first set, lead with the left on the second. Pick your uncoordinated leg to do the 3rd round if you do that. Immediately after you do 30 seconds of those, you're going to grab the medicine ball. This one actually has handles. We're going to do a wood chop. Start down low squat. Arms are straight, locked out. We power up. We power down as fast as you can. The key is to keep your stomach tight, head up, shoulders back. Squat down using great posture. Pull it up, pull it down really fast. 30 seconds or 30 reps, okay? Next exercise is going to be a medicine ball runs, okay? So we're going to high knee run going, and we're going to take the medicine ball to each hip. This is a 6-pound medicine ball, and it is tough on the core. 30 seconds. Or you can count reps, but I don't know if you can count right now. Woo, that wore me out. So, 30 reps for 30 seconds, followed by the rope. The rope, basically we're going to use the whole body, go as fast as we can. But we got to use the legs and the arms together. If you're not using the ropes, you want some slack. Don't want them tight, slack. You want to get a whipping motion, pulling them up and whipping them down. The tighter the wave, the harder it is. Feet a little wider shoulder width. And you're going to do double weights as fast as you can. And you can use your legs more or your arms more. 30 seconds or 30 reps. That's 4 exercises back to back to back. 0 to no rest. No rest between your sets of it. So I would go right back into my agility runs, right back into my medicine ball exercises, right back into ropes. That's 2 times, then I do it a 3rd time. So in a little as 6 minutes, you're going to get a great workout. Your heart rate's going to be up. Your metabolism is going to get going. It's a great way to finish a workout. Heck, it's a great workout on its own.